In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions from a spreadsheet to QuickBooks Online. Before we jump in, make sure your spreadsheet is ready. QuickBooks works best with clean data, so include a header row and clear columns for date, description, and amount. If your file uses separate columns for money in and money out, keep them labeled consistently. Dates should be in a standard format like month for day, year, and it helps to remove formulas, merge cells, blank top rows, and any summary totals. Save your file as CSV or XLSX. A quick pass to spot typos and odd characters will save you time later. Once your spreadsheet is set, open QuickBooks Online and sign in. From your dashboard, go to the Settings menu, the gear icon in the upper right. Click that to open the full menu. In the Settings menu, choose Import Data. This takes you to QuickBooks Import area, where you'll tell it what kind of information you're bringing in. Next, select the record type that matches what's in your spreadsheet, then choose Import. Since we're focusing on transactions, pick the option that aligns with your file, such as bank or card transactions, and proceed. This ensures QuickBooks treats your rows correctly and routes them to the right part of your books. On the page that appears, look for the Manually Upload Transactions card. This is where you'll provide your file directly from your computer. Click Select Files. You can browse to your spreadsheet and choose it, or simply drag and drop the file into the upload area. QuickBooks will scan the file and launch a quick setup to align your columns with its fields. Take a moment here to confirm that your date column maps to date, your description maps correctly, and your amount or debit/credit selections match how your data is structured. If your spreadsheet uses separate money in and money out columns, map those to the appropriate fields so the signs are handled correctly. You'll see a preview of your rows so you can verify what's coming in. If anything looks off, like dates in the wrong column or amounts reversed, cancel the import, adjust your file, and try again. Smaller batches and consistent formats usually import faster and with fewer issues. When everything looks good, continue through the prompts to complete the import. After it finishes, review the newly added transactions in QuickBooks to confirm totals and descriptions look right. That's it. With a well-prepared spreadsheet and these steps, importing transactions into QuickBooks Online is fast, accurate, and repeatable.